Hi, I'm from BPD Zenith and today I'll be presenting an overview of our repairs and manifesting in the BPD Oil and Gas Accelerator template. BPD have developed a repairs process in Maximo for sending assets and items back on shore to a repair facility. This process works hand in hand with BPD's logistics solution or can work independently. To begin, we create a work order and change the work type to repair. This shows us the additional fields and allows us to fill in the repair facility and the replacement asset. If we supply the replacement asset, the workflow will automatically swap this asset into the location as part of the process. If the asset that is going away to be repaired is not a critical asset and nothing will be replacing it whilst it's out for repair, we can check the replacement not required box. We need to add a service line to cover the cost of the repair, or the workflow will display a message to the user. A group called the Repairs Coordinator will handle the workflow from here. We'll select that the asset requires manifesting. This will change the status of the work order to waiting transit and create a ship item for the asset which we can view in the Manifest tab. If we go through to the Ship Items application, we can see the asset has been copied over and the work order is linked. We can go through to the Cargo Container Unit Transactions application and find the cargo container unit that this ship item will be associated with and add it in. The ship item will change to a status of containerized. We can come out of the application now and go into the Manifest application. Here we can find the manifest we've created to move this container. We can add the container to the manifest and approve it. Our ship item will now be at a status of manifested. Assuming our items have arrived offshore now, we would go ahead and change the status of this manifest to receipting, then move to the Receipting tab to mark the items as receipted. We can then update the status to Manifest Complete. This will be picked up and moved by the work order into the Repairs Coordinator, who will get an assignment to move the asset to the repair facility within Maximo and mark the work order as out for repair. Once the repair work is complete, we can route the workflow again and we can either say that the asset has been repaired or that it is beyond economical repair. If we choose the asset is repaired, we'll get another ship item ready to add to a manifest and bring the asset back. We can then get the system to switch it back into the original location, or we can manually move it somewhere else before completing the work order. If we choose asset beyond economical repair, the asset status will change to decommissioned, and if the asset needs to be replaced, a follow-up work order can be created before the work order changes to completed. find out more about repair work orders and other features of the Oil and Gas Accelerator or the Logistics module, please visit the link.